Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Tsugami BE-20V. It's a 2011. It has an EDHE Minuteman 320 servo bar feed. Machine has a Fanuc 31i control. Main spindle's currently running at 4,000 RPM. That's 6,000 RPM. Max speed on both the front and the back spindle at 12,000. It's your C-axis. Over the other side. That's 2,000 RPM on the back spindle. That's 5,000 RPM on the back spindle. It's your C-axis on your rear. On your cross tools. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. Jog the axes around. Z-axis over here. Well, the axis is nice and quiet. The machine also has an MP Systems high pressure coolant system. This machine can be seen under power in Harrison, New Jersey. Thank you for watching.